So, what do you think?
You bought a new queen bed?
No, this is my old bed. I took it out of storage.
That's great! And look at the bedding. It's designer. So nice and grown up and unlike you.
What does that mean?
Well, I mean, it's just that it doesn't go with your football phone or your baseball glove lamp.
By the way, where did those go?
They live in a farm now, honey. They're very happy. Anyway, I am so impressed. Who knew my man had such great taste?
Well, I can't take all the credit. Sonia picked out the bedding.
Sonia? Your ex? The one with the mustache?
She doesn't have a mustache.
In my mind, she does. Oh, look, I don't think I can be involved in those sheets.
I'll wash them.
Dude, there's not enough tide in the world for me to sleep on those.
Fine, I'll take off the bedding. There, no more bedding.
You're gonna be mad at me.
I don't doubt it. Why?
Look, I appreciate you getting rid of the sheets, but I don't think the bed's gonna work either.
Oh, come on.
I know it's irrational, okay, and I wish I was above it, but I'm just way below it, okay? All I can think of is you and her there doing God knows what.
I didn't do God knows what with her. I saved that for you.
How did you even kiss her with that mustache?
Look, new beds are expensive, and this one's really comfortable. Try it.
Well, I mean, it is comfortable. It's nice and soft. And oh, I can feel the invitation of where my butt used to be.
No, you can't.
I can! Oh my, it's way bigger than mine. Seriously, my butt is like swimming in this.
There you go. Every night when you go to bed, you'll feel good about yourself.
Again, I wish I could be the bigger person, like Sonia's butt. But honestly, the bed's gone, I'm sorry.
Come on, you don't have a problem with the chair I brought.
Well, it's not like you and Sonia had sex on it. Oh, ew, okay, the chair's gone too.